What party people? We're back again. I'm going home now at least. We are in third. Well, we're in third gear minus overdrive. So what is 3 plus 1? Just gonna try to turn to the freaking... Oh, the freaking U-Haul. Fails. So... Gotta get out here. Oh, we're too close. Left is clear. No, it's not. Oh! Every time we try to go, someone always jumps out. What are we gonna do now? It never fails. Dang it. Left is clear. Right is not. Oh, of course you would turn. Why couldn't you just go straight across? Ugh. Fine. I'm at max peak torque, so piece of that went pushing. Okay. I'm at peak torque. I'm kidding. I say that because I'm going to stop right up here now. Cool. I don't see any cops around, so yeah. Oh, I'm just minding my business, you know. This is not the only green Tundra in town, but it's the only green Tundra in town with the front end all jacked up. So I think someone actually wants to actually report me, and they probably could. 15 miles an hour. I will turn, by the way. And now we're going to hurry the fuck up out of here. Oh, that shit is so fun. We need to hurry up and get out of here now. Before someone falls. Oh, I got everything. That's everything landed on top. Yes, I still stayed in 2-wheel. I ain't got time to wait and stop it. Okay, the sides are good. But, oh man, it went everywhere. I can't wait to look back after that. Video with that. Oh wow. I wish I could set up like a tripod and look at stuff, but I can't do that yet. That's not I shouldn't really even be over there, but you know. Good time is a good time. And now we're going to get out of here before it's a good time to turn into a bad day. This is a homeless person who lives in their 4Runner. And they have one. They're missing a leg, so I'm not bashed on them in the least bit. Right before I forget. Sorry, y'all. I gotta do something now that y'all kind of don't get to see. Yeah.